guys are interested on the classing system at ASR Superlap, it's very easy. Take your total weight, including driver, divided by your wheel horsepower. Now 15.00 and above power to weight is a Class A, 14.99 to 10.00 is a Class B, and 9.99 and below is a Class C. Now let's use George's car as an example. He sent me a picture of his corner balancing with it showed the total weight, and I'm imagining they did it when he was in the car. You're supposed to corner balance your car with the driver sitting in it, or at least enough weight in it to simulate his weight. So 2,948 pounds divided by 215 puts him at 13.71, which obviously is closer to almost being an A class, which would be the 15.00. So it's easy to figure out the threshold on B. 294, 10.02, let's see, 295. At 295 horsepower, he'd be pushed into C class, but he could make 294 horsepower. That's a ton more. It's almost 80 more horsepower than what he's at currently. So imagine his car at that power level. It would be a different car to drive. He already dominates, but he would be learning it again. I can't imagine he would be any slower though. I think he would just probably shave even more time, especially coming down those long straights. Now let's use my car as an example. So my old track car weighed 2160. That was my 1990 Civic DX. I drive a 1990 Civic Si now. Let's add 40 pounds for the sunroof. I don't know if it weighs much more than that. I've never weighed it yet. Plus my fat ass, I weigh 180 generally. So 2,380 pounds divided by, let me do that first, I'm sorry. That's 2,380 pounds divided by the power, which is, I make about 135 horsepower. So 17.62. Let's try to figure out the threshold. I think 155, let's see, 156, 7, 8, whoops. Okay, at 159 horsepower with my B20, if I could make that much, I'll be pushed into B class. If I stay at 158, I'll stay at 15.06, which is my threshold. So just wanted to clarify that for you guys. So that way, if you're ever interested in joining us at the track, you can easily figure out what class you'll be placed into, and we're more than welcome, man. We always love seeing new people out there at the track, so hopefully one day we'll see some of you guys out there soon. And later this week, we got some cool footage of Chris's 88 CRX. We got that all finished up. That video should be out in a few more days, guys. We'll see you soon.